Hi friends, good evening to all. Welcome back again. Friends, today I'd like to share Poland requirements. You know, Poland is a European country and well economically strong. So, are you looking for a job in a European country in Poland? So, if you are interested for this requirements, watching this video, I would like to tell you the job responsibilities and job requirements and how to apply everything. I will tell you. So, if you are interested for these informations, please watching this, and this is a very urgent and recent requirements. So you can see here the position is technical consultant CAD drawer in Warsaw. Warsaw is the capital city of the Poland. Poland is a European country. On the currency is zloty. So if you are interested to move European country, so I hope this information will be helpful for you, and this all job requirements needful for your careers. So friends, let's start. The location is Warsaw. Warsaw is the capital city of Poland, and position is technical consultant. I would like to tell you the responsibilities for these positions. You can see here the responsibilities: preparation of technical documentation, preparation of technical drawing, technical technology plans and quality controls plans, builds, thermal calculations, material selections, participating in the production preparation process, cooperation with clients and project authors, participation in the process of obtaining orders. So this is the basic responsibilities for these jobs. If you will get this job, so this will be your responsibilities. So let's come to another point: requirements. What is the basic requirements to applying these jobs? Number one, higher technical education, welcome energy construction. Okay. Second, knowledge of basic issues in the field of heat exchange, steel structures, thermal insulations. Number three, very good knowledge of the MS Office suite, in particular MS Excel. So this is very normal. I think all candidates, as an educated person, they have the knowledge of MS Office and Excel. It's very common. If you have no knowledge, so please, I would like to suggest you please practice in MS Excel and Word also. So next point is knowledge of AutoCAD software. This is very important. You should have the AutoCAD certificates and AutoCAD experience and AutoCAD best knowledge. Knowledge of Inventor or other software for 3D design. So according to 3D design, you have to you should have the knowledge of Inventor or other software. Next point, knowledge of English at a communicative English level. So that means you should have the minimum of communicative level English language. This is very important because if you want to move any foreign country, you should have the basic knowledge. You should have the basic strong communications in English. This is very vital for you. So next point, commitment and willingness to learn. This is a extra skills, or you can say that own interest, commitment and willingness to learn. So availability for business trips, work experience is not required. They saying that work experience is not required, but during the interview time they ask some question about the your course, your professionals. So I hope if you have the experience, it's better for you. Then we offer. If you'll get this job, what will you offer by the company? Employment under a contract of employment, stable long-term employment in a recognized company with a stable market positions, opportunity to gain experience and learn new knowledge in an international work environment, in industrial projects, non-wage benefits. So you can see here, please add the following clause: I agree to the processing of my personal data for the purpose of the requirement process in accordance with an Act of 29 August 1997 on a protection of personal data. Consolidated Text Journal of Laws of 2016, item 1922. So when you making your CV and cover letter, you should mention this information. This all information I will provide in my descriptions. Go on to description which is under the video, and please collect the all informations. And when you making your CV and cover letters, please mention this sentence or languages. So next, for projects in Poland uh, and abroad. We are looking for people with different levels of experience for the position shown next to. So please send your CV to this email ID. This is very important. I would like to mark this email ID. Then you can you can also send a CV. You can note it. So with a job title. So when your email, please mention job title. What is the job positions? You have to mention the job position above mentioned. At the same time, we would like to inform you that we will only contact selected persons. After sending your CV and cover letters, they will shortlist some CV for interview, then they will call you. So please make your professional CV professional and cover letter professional, being very clear cut and very professional, because you are marketing your careers, your CV. So you should have make a clear cut and very professional CV and send to this email ID. Then if you will be selected, your CV will be shortlisted, they will call you for interview. Then can proceed for visa. Can see the other informations. The data administrator is Kafir Shah with the headquarters in Warsaw. 26777 The data is collected for requirements purpose. You have to write to access your data and correct it, providing data in the scope specified by the provisions of the Act of 20th June 1974. The labor code of executive acts are mandatory, providing additional personal data is voluntary. So this is the act of law, they should follow the rules, so don't need to worry. So we come, the next position is specialist scaffolding coordinator in Poland. So the location is southern Poland, position is specialist and scaffolding coordinator. Responsibilities for these positions: technical, organizational, and logistic support of coffee essay scaffolding projects carried out on industrial facilities in Poland and abroad, mainly Sweden, France, Germany. This is all our European country. So if you are looking and if you have a plan to move European country, that means you are in the best choice in the world. Now, according to American country, African country, or European country, if we come, if we compare and also if you can think that which is the best, as my suggest, European country is the best to move and to settle and to be a smooth life, because as my knowledge, as my own experience, the gentle person is in Europe. Okay, so if you have a plan to move Europe, that means you are the your thinking is the best in the world. So we come to requirements: education minimum, medium, higher, technical, welcome. So you should have the medium education or higher education or technical education also welcome. Minimum of 2 year experience in similar positions. That means you should have the experience of 2 years in scaffolding. Good knowledge of the scaffolding industry. Driving license B. You have the driving license in your home country. Okay, and when you will reach, you will get these jobs. They will make for your road driver license according to that country. Don't need to worry. But you should have the driving license in your home country. This is very mandatory. Then availability for business trips in Poland and abroad. This is very common. You will enjoy your life to visit the trips in across the Europe. Then we offer. If you'll get this job, what will offer the company? Attractive salary, stable long-term employment based on contract of employment in a recognized company with a stable market positions, opportunity to gain experience in developments in the international work environment and industrial projects in Poland and abroad. Additional benefits package. So please add the following clause. I agree to the processing of my personal data for the purpose of the requirements process in accordance with the Act of 29 of 1997 on the protection of personal data. Consolidated text general laws of 2016 item 1922. For projects in Poland and abroad, we are looking for people with different levels of experience for the position. Next to, please send your CV to this email ID. So I already mentioned, told you in above, this is the same email ID. So don't need to be worried. If you are a scaffolding professional and you have the experience, don't be late. Right now, apply in this email ID to sending your CV and cover letter. I'm again and again telling you, please make your CV and cover letter be professional. then only they will utilize your CV and they will call for interview. So this is the rules I already told you. I would like to tell you once again, remind you just the number one position is technical consultant, CAD drawer, and the location is Warsaw. Here the responsibilities, here the requirements, here they offer the company, then here the email ID. This is very important. This is the applying process. If you want to apply, so please send your CV to this email ID. So this is the official email ID, and you have to send your CV and cover letter. Then if your CV will be utilized, they will call you for interview. So this second is scaffolding coordinator. Location is southern Poland. Requirements here available and responsibilities. If you are facing a problem to understand my language or to understand my video, then please don't be confused. Go to the description which is under the video. This all information I am already sharing. You can read it carefully and you can apply right here, right now. So friends, I would like to tell you so lots of thanks for your valuable time to watching this video up to end, and I would like to tell you best of luck for your career and God bless you and you can move forward. Thank you. Bye bye.